There's a number 2. And there's a number 5. Cruz. Pass to Figueroa. Inside pass. Francisco picks it. It's no good. Balik for the rebound. Nakuha ng Lupino. Pass to Gaspar. 10 on the shot. Losing the Pini Cruz. There's a number 2. Lays it up. It's no good. So good na rebound para. There's a number 12. Outlet pass. There's a number 4. There's a number 9. There's a jumper by Shangalas. And there's a push and pound. Really, there's a number. Who's brought up? There's a number 4. There's number 2, Gaspar. Pass to Figueroa. There's number 53, Mr. Nautica. Mr. Fajardo. 12 second shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Figueroa pass to Lupino. 10 on the shot. A mid pass to Francisco. It's a corrupting violation. There's number 4, Mendoza. To Fajardo. There's number 12, step up jumper. Mr. Jumper. Puts it in. It's good. There's number 2, Gaspar. Behind the ball. Against the big defender. There's number 2. He's a pass to Figueroa. Using his body to Lupino. 15 on the shot clock. Looking for the open man to Cruz. 10 second shot. There's number 23. Lays it up. It's good. There's number 4, Nervasa, pass to the Plus Junior, 12 on the shot clock. He's set for a big penetration. Seven minutes and 58 seconds to play. Under 8 minutes to play. There's a number 2, Gaspar. Mid pass to Lupino. Follow away shot. That's not good. Time for the rebound. There's number 4. On the pass. No, this side is number 2.
Got it.
There's number 2. Gaspar. Break. There's a foul. Back and down. Foul from the jersey number 20. That is 3rd foul. 13 foul.
Si Day-Day. Injured. Ganda pa naman ang laro ni Day-Day ngayon. Injury timeout.
Back to the ball game. There's number 2, Gaspar for 3. That's number 3.
Ivan Gaspar for 3. Sayang.
There's number 2. And Basas, that's the middle, is no good. And for the rebound on Francisco. And there's a foul. There's a number 6. That is 2nd foul. Warning for penalty. There's number 2, Gaspar, in the plus. Behind the back one. Losing the beat. There's a number 5 for 3. And it's no good. Time for the rebound. Around the back of it. Pass to the plus junior. There's a number 0 on the run. That's the shot by Shangalas. Pass to his brother. There's number 0. Not bad. There's a number 6.
43-27 ang score natin. 16 points. Ang kalamangan ng tabi.
Second shot is no good. Trouble. Jersey number 4, Narbasa, handle dito. Kepa Harder, jersey number 12. With the left crossover moves, nice na middle, let's run. Now basket, and there's a whistle. Who's more up? Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, Bahardo against Filipino. Crossover move, has a move. Losing the ball, intercepting the spot, here's number 2. Pass to Francisco, here's number 22, intercept. A high intercept on the spot. On the line, 4-3 pass break, jersey number 2. Lays it up for shot, it's not good. Body for the rebound, again, it's so this. Substitution. There's a number 4, Narbasa. Mid pass to the twice. Mid-range jumper, it's not good. There's a foul between jersey number 13. That is first foul, second team foul. Revised on the game for me. Substitution. Second shot clock, 13 seconds to shoot. There's a number 6. And there's a foul. Foul from the jersey number 71. That is first foul, 13 foul. 6 instead of it once. And it's good, 2 for 2. Score 45-28, a 17-point lead. Sa barangay Tabi, jersey number 2, Gaspar. Looking for it up and down, Filipino, 15 on the shot clock. Back to Gaspar for 3. It's good for 3 by jersey number 2. Jersey number 4, Narbasa. Easy pass, jersey number 4, it's up. Out of bounds.
31-45 ang score natin. 14-point lead by Tabi.
There's the number 71, elbow jumper. It's good for 2. Back to bounds by Mr. Lupino. Exactly 5 minutes to play. Here's the number 0, Rivas Jr. Back to Narbasa, 14 on the shot clock to Rivas. Back to Narbasa. Looking for the big Riola to Rivas Jr. Has a move, based and right. 4 on the shot clock, intercept, jersey number 2. Gaspar on the run, 3-on-3 pattern, jersey number 2. And there's a pushing foul with jersey number 3. That is first foul, penalty. It's 40 seconds to play. 1-2, substitution. There's the number 4, Narbasa, taking the play. 14 on the shot clock. It's a pass from Rihanna, turnover. There's the number 12, Principe, baseline drive, up and under is not good. There's the number 5, intercept. And there's there's a foul committed by jersey number 5. That is first foul, warning for penalty. There's number 28, Joe Kutu. Pass to Twas. Back to jersey number 28, 15 on the shot. There's number 24. Pass to Adriano. 6 on the shot. Grab pass to Aquino. It's 3 seconds violation. Timeout, Barangay Taber. Time remaining 51 seconds to play. Para sa ating first and second quarter. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 3 minutes and 51 seconds to play. Para sa ating first half, second quarter score 45-34. 11-point lead para sa Barangay Taber. There's number 13, Mendoza, pass to the squad. On bounce, single. There's number 13, Mendoza. Intercept, that Aquino out of the bounds, there's number 28. That's the last turnover. There's number 13, Mendoza, pass to Principe. Looking for number 9, cross pass to the squad. There's number 2, 15 on the shot clock. Out of bounds, same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. There's Santos, pass to the squad. 10 on the shot clock. Into a move, there's number 2. Pass to Carlos, 6 second shot clock. And there's a foul, moving jersey number 3. That is second foul penalty. Two free throws para jersey number 25, Mr. Carlos. Second shot is not good. Moving jersey number 5, Aquino. In the side, and Principe, jersey number 12, on the run. Ready for his teammate, speed move. Looking for number 9, intercept, jersey number 28. Out of pass, jersey number 2, formation, opposite. There's number 2, the squad against the 3 defenders. Pass to Principe. Nasa play para kay Lebras. Nice pass! Nagkilala din against the Lebras. Let's go to 49, 35 across the room. Out of jersey number 2, the squad again with Blas. That's jersey number 7, number 3. There's number 58, Joe Kuku, pass to Aquino, 15 on the shot clock. Bounce pass to Twas, there's number 6, he got a pass. 10 second shot clock. Waiting for the feed, the Twas, there's number 38, here, the shot, no, there's no good. Time for the rebound on Adriano. Out of bounds, same ball.
49-38 ang score natin, 11-point lead. May tabi.
He goes back to Twas, jersey number 24, turn of shots here. Single. One minute and 38 seconds to play. There's another 12. Super. Julius Santos has the goal lead pass to Mendoza. Lays it up. It's a violation. Mid pass to Adriano, who's the number 3. And it's a good defender, it's almost getting the ball. Pass to Jersey number 3. Pass to Jersey number 2, and then the Santa lefty shot is good. 1 minute and 6 seconds to play, score 51-14. Miscommunication, turnover.
51-40, 11 points pa rin ang kalaman. Tabi.
Davis lays it up. It's a lifting violation, substitution. There's number 58, Joaquino passing Mantino. Baseline jumper is no good. There's number 25, Pablo Sigo pass. There's number 58. 42.8 seconds.
Still, his score is 51-40. 11-point lead by Tabe.
There's number 79, Dennis Santos took a spot for 3. Rebound, there's number 54, bounce pass, Sigo there's number 2, pass to Crucible, there's number 12, faster. This is the right violation.
31
seconds differentials between the game clock and the shot clock. There's number 28. Corner 3 in and out. As the pickup, 18 seconds to play. Shot clock is up. There's number 13. Mendoza goes to goal. Lays it up. Now basket. But there's a whistle. Who's well up? There's a number 6 with was. That is penalty.
11.7 seconds to play.
There's a number 13, Mr. Mendoza.
51-41.
It's good 2 for 2. 11.7 seconds to play.
Down to 9-point lead.
It was long 3. 7.6 seconds to play. Timeout, Barangay Perdil. 0.6 seconds to play.
7.6 seconds.
With number 2, Pastor Carlos, 5 seconds to play. Doing goes and jersey number 13. Lays it up, it's not good. 2 seconds to play. Pass it along. And that's that. Our first half, second quarter score 51-42. A 9-point lead para sa Barangay Tabi.
Congrats, panalo.